Oh, wow. It's a little heavy on the eyebrows. Oh, you got some thick hair there, don't you?
Thanks for the opinion.
Say hi to the vlog, Grandpa.
There's a wabbit. Wabbit. Where's Soap Smitty's what's his name? Yosemite
Okay.
James.
Yeah.
Yosemite Sam.
Okay.
2 inches apart, it says.
Is that
So
2
because they
inches?
spread out, I guess.
Maybe like.
It's fine.
We'll eat them anyways.
Yeah.
We'll eat them
2
anyway.
inches apart.
Here's a time lapse of us putting them on. He's being an expert baker and like putting them all.
They're so soft. Look, I crushed them. Okay, guys. So, I just finished, if you can see that, putting the cookies on the plate.
That's a lot of milk.
So now we're gonna go eat these delicious cookies.
You couldn't stop. Cookie Monster.
Before we eat them all. Maddie, do you ever think of owning your own YouTube channel?
I did in like 4th grade.
You did? I never knew that.
I asked my mom, but she said no. Probably because I was in 4th grade.
I asked my mom and she said, okay. And then I asked my dad. I didn't actually ask my dad. He doesn't know yet.
Girls, yeah, they don't have cookies.
You don't have one, a regular like. No! I forgot my blending brush. Oh, I forgot concealer too. I mean, foundation. And my blending brush. Oh, and my beauty blender. Do you have a beauty blender?
I don't know what it is.
Oh, I got one. I got like some of the free sample ones from Ulta yesterday.
Put your hair back. You don't have a hairband. Okay, ready? Do you want this?
What is that?
Concealer. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna put
I
it
don't know
on
what
you.
that is.
I'm just gonna
I know
use
what
this
foundation is.
Ready? I'm just gonna put it on your red spots.
This comes off, right?
Yes, it does come off.
You mean pimples?
Okay, so at Studio Fix, what do people do? Do they go like that?
Oh, it's.
Be calm.
I am calm. I wonder. Have you ever watched Miraculous?
Close your eye.
Oh my god, I love Miraculous.
It's very pigmented. You don't need to do a lot.
Oh. Me stabbing the palette. Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna be such an artist after this. Just so you know, I've never done it, or I've done it like once. So. Oh, I got it on your nose. Darn it, I like put it somewhere I didn't want to put it.
No!
Okay.
Ew.
I licked this finger.
Okay.
Close your eye.
I'm looking at my beautiful art.
Put it on your eyebrow, but I think it looks good. No, don't look at it yet.
I think mine was better.
No, I'm not done. I'm not done.
Why was the snow yellow?
I don't know.
Because Elsa peed in it. Oh, because Elsa let it go.
One looks like it's bleeding. One of them looks like it's. I was trying to go for a winged effect. Like I finished.
Is that it?
Yeah, isn't it cute?
Oh. That's beautiful.
I think I did a pretty good job. I was trying to go for a winged look, so woohoo. Okay, we're gonna take
just
this
took a
off. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and
Like this video. Okay, bye.